guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so that you will be able to join my loving, loose skin, mature skin family and get all the tips and tricks on how to hide all of our flaws that we have gained over the years. While you're at it, if you hit the notification bell, every time that I load a video, it will notify you, and that way you don't miss a dang thing. If you are wondering about these big old lips here, I just did a video. I'll link it somewhere up around here. Check that out. No, I did not have lip fillers, although I would like to, but this is a product that you can get on your own for under $10. Awesome. Go check out that video. Today, I wanted to show you, I got a couple things from my bestie. She went down and she's a nail tech, and she went down and did some paraffin dips on hands, and one of the representatives down there give her some stuff for me to try. So I thought, why not try it on my channel in front of y'all? It's from Perfectly Posh, P-O-S-H. One thing that she gave was a lip and contouring bronzer stick and a rose tuition. It's a liquid highlighter. So I didn't put any bronzer on or any contouring today, and I thought that I would do it here with you all. One of the things that I have found is that when you have people, I gotta try to open this as I'm doing it, I'll talk to you. You have to excuse me looking down, y'all. I got to try to open it. It's got plastic wrapped around it. Anyway, one thing that I do see happen is when I see people with contour on is that they go in too far, but I'm going to make a video here shortly about placement of contour and making your face look elongated. To make your face look younger and appear younger and more youthful, you want to make your face look more youthful and less gravity pulled. I mean, it's just the way it is. I mean, you don't want to pay thousands of dollars for a facelift, or, you know, hey, if you're like me, you don't want to go under the knife for such a thing. So you can actually do that, do some tips or do some tricks with makeup. So, but what I see a lot of times is people will take contour and they'll come all the way down into the hollow of their cheek with the contour. What you actually are supposed to do is take an imaginary line and go to the corner of your eye right there, and nothing should come in front of that imaginary line, because if it does, imaginary line, because if it does, it makes you feel more saggy. So what I'm going to do is, it should start at the top of the ear and go down toward the corner of your lip, just like that. Same way on this side, top of the ear to the corner of your lip, and you don't want to go past the eye, because when you look, all this would stay as highlighted. Same way with your eye. A lot of people, when they do it, they just draw a line and go on the outlining of their head, but that's not helping. What you need to do is go from the corner of your eye and go out the corner of your eye and out and up, and that actually will make it appear that the gravity is not pulled as bad. You can do your forehead too, but we'll go over this. I'm going to make a video or do a live session. If you guys are interested in me doing a live session and doing contour and, you know, going over it with everybody, you know, hey, let me know. I'll do it. And then we're going to just work it in. This doesn't look like it's a blending all that well. It just looks like it kind of wiped off myself. But am I crazy? Let me do this again. Let me use my fingers this time. Maybe it... I'm used to my contour. It's pretty dark, so... There, that's a little better, I guess. I don't know. I shouldn't have to use my finger. Maybe this contour, it says that it's vegan, all natural. It's made by Perfectly Posh. I'll link it down below how you can get it if you're interested. I mean, it seems like it's just very lightweight, not you know, like a high coverage type of contour. So I mean, if you're interested in that, I myself, I'm really a full coverage type of girl, so you know, I'm not really into this, but it seems like that it is a really good formula for lightweight contouring. So I'll link that down below for you. I myself have... Let's check out the highlighter. This is a real pink highlighter. I'm going to try to scoot that back a little bit. Again, you don't want to put anything in front of your line, because if you do, then it's going to make look like gravity done sucked you down. That's where a lot of people... This is beautiful. Look at that. The singing gods in heaven are singing above. Look at that. Woo! Oh, I like the highlight. Yes. Look at that. I mean, this highlight's no joke. Now, I'm not a fan of the contour, but I am digging the highlighter. Yeah, I like the highlight a lot. Let's put some on the nose. Yeah. Okay, so this is all natural, vegan, the whole 9 yards too. So I'll push it. Yeah, I'm gonna push it down below in the downstairs too. I'll put all the information down below of where you can get the contour stick and how much it is and whatnot, and the liquid highlighter. The liquid highlighter, I do believe, comes in different shades. I absolutely love the liquid highlighter. It doesn't make my lines appear more accentuated, and that is very hard for a highlighter not to do. For us mature women, one of the biggest things for highlight is to be able to put it on and not get fine lines to pop out of our face. So, cool beans. I say highlight is a thumb up for me. Contour, it's not quite as deep coverage as I would like it to be. So, thank you all for coming. I am waiting on another Fuckalore palette to come in the mail. I've ordered that up, and I got about, I don't know, 9 million things to go through. But please hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with everybody that you see. I'm gonna link the lip plumper down below. Lip plumper video down below. You've got to check that out. If you have any fine lines around your lips, there's a way for you to get these fine lines to go away without going under the needle. Thank y'all. More to come. Peace out.